shuttle bus. Puntang ano?
Yehliu.
Puntang Yehliu. And that's how long?
An hour?
Let's go. From Tamsui, from here, hanapin natin yung shuttle going to Yehliu. This is a really nice train station. Ganda. Amazing. Where to? So we're now looking for the bus terminal going to Yehliu. Ayan yung bus station. Ibang klaseng init dito. So we're now on the bus going to Yehliu. Naabutan namin. Buti na lang, mabilis maglakad yung mga nauna. Justin. So see you in Yehliu. Yes! Ngayon dumiretso kami dito sa Yehliu Geopark. So naglakad na lang kami. I think it's a 10-minute walk kung saan kami bumaba. Here we are at the ticket booth. Bumili na kami ng tickets. Each person, $80 yung kanyang price. Punta tayo dun sa visitor center. Andun for sure may mga map and guides to the Geopark. Let's go! We are still at the Yehliu Geopark. Kakatapos lang namin sa Queen's Head na mag-pictorial at may mag-video ng konti, selfie. Kailangan mabilis lang kasi mahaba yung pila. You don't wanna be the cause of delay. And at the end of the pathway, merong recreation center. Pwede kayong bumili ng mga refreshments like iced coffee, iced vanilla, iced milk tea, and everything. So, sa gantong summer, kailangan nyo mag-hydrate. Pahinga lang kayo and then, you know, grab your water, drink some water. Of course, find some shade. We're now on the bus to Tamsui. Babalik tayo sa Tamsui. Tapos na tayo dito sa Yehliu. Achieve ang kailangan ma-achieve. we're back guys in Tamsui. Andito na ulit tayo ngayon sa Tamsui. Actually nasa tapat tayo ng Tamsui station. And just beside the Tamsui station, meron magandang park along the coastline. Pwede kayong tumambay dito. Actually may mga buskers dito na mga tumutugtog. I saw some buskers right there na tutugtog siya siguro later, and he's preparing. Tatambay lang tayo saglit dito, probably to see the sunset, and you know, chillax, and then we head back home. So ito yung pinakapahinga namin dito sa aming Yehliu adventure, kasi so super hot kanina dun sa Yehliu. Ngayon chillax lang muna kami dito sa Tamsui.
If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it, in it? Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
Isang patunay na napakainit dito sa Taiwan. Gabi na guys, yung pawis ko init, kaya uuwi na kami. Sobrang init. Biruin mo mag-aalas 8 na, ganito pa kainit, parang may araw pa.